While it's ideal to begin heart-healthy practices early in life, there's no denying that it becomes even more important as we get older. Unfortunately, when it comes to sticking to a fitness routine, the physical changes that come with age might make it more difficult to achieve your goals. However, according to a study, if you're over 60 years old, picking up one easy exercise will greatly decrease your chance of a heart attack. Keep watching to see what you might want to include in your weekly schedule. Gardening can soon become an addiction if you get into it. It has so many benefits, more than just making your yard pleasant and aesthetic. But what about the health benefits? Is there a way to get more bang for your buck with the hours you've already put in? Well, you're in luck today, because we will tell you right now that your gardening has more positive effects on you than you think it would. In this video, we will show you 5 easy ways that gardening can slash your heart risk today. But before that, hello there, this is Scope Care, your scholarly friend to help you with your health. But what are we waiting for? There are a lot of facts to talk about. Without further ado, here are the 5 easy ways that gardening can slash your heart risk today. Basic gardening chores can slash your risk of heart attack and prolong your life. Let's talk about science for a moment. A study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine in 2013 gathered 4,232 volunteers from Stockholm, Sweden, who were all 60 years old and monitored their health for roughly 12.5 years. Each participant's health behaviors, such as alcohol consumption, cigarette usage, and regular diet, were assessed during an initial checkup. It also measured physical activity by asking about traditional exercise routines and other activities over the preceding 12 months, such as how often people undertook vehicle repairs, cared for their gardens, or collected blackberries. Blood tests and physical exams were also used to gather data on participants' cardiovascular health, with blood fats, blood sugars, and blood clotting factors all indicating an elevated risk of heart attack or stroke. By the end of the study, 476 people had had their first heart attack and 383 had died from other causes. Participants who were most physically engaged in hobbies like gardening, regardless of their levels of traditional exercise, were 27% less likely to have a heart attack, according to the findings. In comparison to people who did the least amount of physical exercise, they noticed a 30% reduction in the chance of mortality from any cause. They suggest that the scientific explanations for their findings could be found in energy expenditure. Prolonged sitting reduces metabolic rate to a bare minimum, whereas standing and physical exercise raise it. Muscle contractions may also reveal some information. Because sitting does not take any physical activity, it might alter the skeletal muscle's normal hormone synthesis, thereby causing harm to other organs and tissues. So it is very easy to say that gardening is good for your health 100%. Physical activities such as gardening are important to maintaining health. The authors of the study concluded that being active through simple movements such as gardening is likely beneficial to heart health since it allows the body to expend energy. They explained that sitting for long periods of time lowers metabolic rates, while standing and basic movements required to maintain a garden or harvest fruit can help raise them. Their findings are particularly impressive for older people since, in comparison to other age groups, they spend a greater part of their active day doing regular activities because they often find it difficult to reach recommended exercise intensity levels. Other recent studies have also found that gardening can be a major health booster. Gardening is a major health booster which has been proven. Another study, published in March 2019 in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, looked into the impact of leisure time activity on heart health in older people. Researchers recruited 88,140 people between the ages of 40 and 85 from all around the United States and tracked their health for over 11 years, as well as evaluating their physical activity levels. Participants who engaged in 10 to 59 minutes of moderate physical activity per week, such as gardening, walking, or dancing, had an 18% lower chance of mortality from any cause and a 12% lower risk of dying from a heart attack or stroke, according to the findings. Those who were able to participate in 2 to 2.5 hours of moderate physical activity each week had a 31% lower chance of mortality from any cause. Individuals who engaged in vigorous physical activity had a considerably decreased risk of death compared to those who engaged in only mild or moderate exercise. As a result, the authors urge persons who are short on time to engage in more intense activities. But hold on, please click the subscribe button to get notified about future updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Can you tell us something about your gardening routine? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. Experts say simple movements can go a long way in keeping your heart healthy. A ripple can start a wave, after all. The same goes for the simple action of gardening. While gardening may not raise your heart rate as much as an HIIT session, scientists say the low-impact activity can nevertheless have a big impact on your health. Digging and raking entail a lot of coordinated upper and lower body movement, which increases your metabolic rate and can raise your heart rate slightly, not at a high-intensity level, but at a low to moderate level. Still, these findings may not be a reason to ditch the treadmill entirely. The journal stated in a press release about the study that those who did engage in the vigorous exercise had better health outcomes than those who mostly engaged in moderate activity. The way you garden makes a difference. The goal is to be purposeful in your actions and activities. Make a conscious effort to garden aggressively and at a consistent pace. To use more energy, you can use hand clippers instead of electric tools. Warm up and stretch before you begin, just like you would any other sort of exercise. Because gardening isn't often connected with exercise, it's easy to overlook the importance of warming up your body before a workout. Start planting those plants or flowers you've been wanting to for the entire winter. Make the flower bed you think will give your front yard a warm welcome. Alternatively, start that home veggie garden you always wanted to, because gardening is both pleasurable and beneficial to one's health. Just moving around makes a difference too. Simply being up and about, doing the dishes, cooking, and gardening is enough to reduce the risk of heart attack and early death. Experts discovered that standing on your feet conducting regular activities, such as taking a shower, can have a significant impact on heart health. In a nutshell, gardening and daily chores can keep your heart healthy. There's no denying that your heart can significantly benefit from gardening. Routine housework and DIY projects can even help adults over the age of 60 live longer. For older adults, simple things like mowing the lawn have been found to be as effective as pumping iron at the gym, since it reduces the amount of time spent doing nothing. The findings are encouraging for a group that is less likely to engage in formal exercise, as they suggest that simply getting up and moving rather than sitting can improve fitness in later life. Maintaining a good heart health necessitates physical activity. You don't, however, need to be a member of a gym to accomplish this. Activities like DIY projects and gardening contribute toward the 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity per week recommended for a healthy lifestyle, as long as they make you feel warmer, breathe harder, and make your heart beat faster. The message we can all take away from all of the research we've discussed is simple. Get active if you want to lower your risk of heart disease. Don't sit for long periods. Get up and do something you enjoy that requires you to move around. And that's the video. We hope we've encouraged you to try gardening for yourself. Have you tried gardening before? What is your favorite plant and how do you like to garden it? Let us know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated about our latest content. Remember, if you want to learn about your health and diet, then let's talk here at Scope Care.